eggplant fried rice or aubergine fried rice or Baingan Pulao, a very tasty dish which is also very nutritious and healthy. Today we are going to make eggplant fried rice or aubergine fried rice or Baingan Pulao. The ingredients are 3 tomatoes sliced, 1 big onion sliced, a spoon of garam masala or spice mix powder, quarter spoon of turmeric powder, half a spoon of cumin seeds, half a spoon of mustard seeds, cilantro leaves, curry leaves, and 2 green chillies. The next ingredient is 1 or 2 aubergines or eggplants fruit cut into round slices and washed in water for around 45 minutes. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the cumin seeds. And salt. Put in the mustard seeds. And let it pop. Once the mustard seeds have popped, put in the big onions, put in the cilantro leaves and the curry leaves, put in the green chili, salt, until the onions are golden brown. After increasing the flame, you might need to saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Keep on sauteing until the color of the onions turns to golden brown. Now the onions have become a golden brown. Put in the tomatoes. Put in the turmeric powder and the coriander powder. And the masala, garam masala. Salt. minutes. Keep on sauteing the tomatoes. Crush the tomatoes once in a while so that they become a pulp. Now the tomato has become paste. Now put in the eggplant. Eggplant paste, which I cut into couple of pieces. Into the mixture. Now, salt and mix so that the eggplant pieces are completely incorporated in the mixture. Keep on sauteing. It is very essential that the whole mixture is completely this, and all the pieces are completely yes. Put in salt to taste. Mix thoroughly. And ensure that the spice mix and the other ingredients completely get mixed with the eggplant pieces. You can make smaller pieces of the eggplant if those are convenient. Keep on doing this for 4 to 5 minutes. Now the eggplant pieces have been completely incorporated into the masala. These can be taken off the flame and we can go to the part of making the spice portion of the dish. Take 2.5 cups of water in a pan and boil. Put in a 1/4 spoon of salt into the water and let it boil. Put in a spoon of olive oil into the water. Wait for the water to boil. Once the water boils, put in rice washed and soaked in water. Around 1 cup. Now let it cook for 15 minutes in high flame. Mix and let it cook for 15 minutes on high flame. Now the rice is ready and can be taken off the flame. Put the brinjal that we mixed earlier onto the flame and put in the rice that we cooked into. Put in all the rice, mix occasionally. Now mix all the rice with the other ingredients. Turn the rice over and mix the brinjal and the ingredients in the rice. Mix thoroughly so that all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed. Keep on mixing. This has to be done in low flame. Put in the cilantro. Now the eggplant fried rice is nearly ready. Heat for 1 or 2 minutes under low flame and take off the flame and serve. This is the final eggplant fried rice or aubergine fried rice or Baingan Pulao. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.